Hi, I'm Leslie, and I'm a product specialist at MyMarble Financial. Today I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough of the MyMarble Premium platform, which gives you access to ScoreUp, our credit improvement technology. This walkthrough is described for desktop, but the browsing experience is equally mobile friendly as well. ScoreUp provides you with a host of tools and features that allow you to monitor your credit score and credit report each month, gain access to some powerful recommendations that tell you exactly how to improve your credit score, help you identify and fix potential credit reporting errors, and organize your finances and debt. So ultimately, you can make your financial goals a reality. So let's dive right in and see how it all works. Your MyMarble Dashboard acts as your control center. Your credit score is displayed at the top right of your MyMarble Dashboard and is updated once a month. From the top of your page, connecting your bank to the Banking Insights tool gives you an overview of your income against fixed expenses, flexible expenses, and debt payments. You can also further view a more detailed breakdown into each of these categories for a more thorough understanding of your spending. Finally, you can also view your income against total expenses over time. And as you can see, the Banking Insights tool goes a long way in helping you evaluate and restructure your finances. Any active tasks, including billing, payment, and application details, are contained at the bottom of your dashboard, alongside your monthly credit and banking recommendations. These recommendations comprise of insights into what is most impacting your credit score and what you can do about it. Finally, you will also have quick access to our free Marble Maestro financial literacy courses, which include expertly curated educational courses on everything from your credit to your debt to provide you with a strong foundation on your personal finances. Your Marble account is separated into three main pages. The next page, your financial health report. Your financial health report shows you what is impacting your credit score and what is impacting your debt at a glance. On the credit side, you can view how your credit score changes over time. In this case, since Bruce joined in January. And through our credit analysis, you gain an understanding of what factors are impacting your credit score. On the debt side, likewise, you can also view how your debt changes over time. And using our budget insights, you can learn how you can start to chip away at some of this debt. With your credit and budgeting and debt insights at your fingertips, you can feel empowered to embark on your journey to financial wellness with all the information that you need. Finally, ScoreUp is our credit improvement technology, as I mentioned, that analyzes your credit history and gives you personalized recommendations on what you can do to improve your credit score. To access ScoreUp, click on the lightning bolt icon on the left-hand side of your sidebar. Once on ScoreUp, you're presented with a short navigation panel to the left of your screen, which includes your credit score and two menu options: review your financial plan and view your credit report. Let's have a look at Bruce's financial plan, starting with the All tab. The All tab contains all of the recommendations on ScoreUp and are grouped into short-term recommendations, which draw from recent accounts and trade lines, and long-term recommendations, which draw on older accounts and trade lines. And you can note that with these and all other recommendations on ScoreUp, they come accompanied by the number of potential points Bruce or you can gain from following these recommendations, all thanks to our Points Deduction Technology. Moving over to the Budget Simulator, the Budget Simulator asks you a key question to your financial success. How much do you want to budget towards paying down your debt and improving your credit score? It gives you the option of setting a maximum budget between $5 and $5,000. And the recommendations change accordingly. So with a budget of $5,000, Bruce can gain a total of 41 points at a cost of $897. He can do this by applying for a new secured credit card because he needs to establish more revolving credit, and ensuring it's paid in full at the end of the month, which will get him 25 points, and paying down $657 on his Home Trust card by the 9th of the month, which can gain him 7 points, and paying finally $240 on his Capital One card by the 18th of the month, which can net him 10 points. With a more realistic budget of, let's say, $170, Bruce can now gain 29 points at a cost of $113. He can do this again by applying for the same secured credit cards and making sure that they're paid in full at the end of the month, and now paying a lowered amount of $62 on his Home Trust card by the 9th of the month for 2 points, and a lowered amount of $51 on his Capital One card by the 18th of the month for a total of 2 points. We recommend aligning your budget on ScoreUp with your banking insights on your MyMarble Dashboard. ScoreUp shows you how your credit score can change depending on the budget that you have, which allows you to better evaluate your debt payments and organize your finances. Let's have a look at the Point Simulator, which works a little bit differently. The Point Simulator shows you the fastest path to get to your target credit score. So for example, with a 900 credit score goal, Bruce can get to that credit score this month by gaining 42 points at a cost of $897. Again, he needs to apply for the secured credit cards and follow the rest of the recommendations, making payments of the stated amounts at the certain specified dates. We recommend using the points tool and the budget tool together to find the optimal balance between your credit score goal and your available budget. Set a target score, make personalized data-driven decisions, and achieve your financial goals. It's that easy. Improve your credit score with MyMarble Premium today. For more information, you can click the link below.